Hello everybody, today a beautiful day and what I did, I was working in the garden and I picked up a lot of tomato and I got the cherry tomato over here. What I did, I take the skin out and I got my beautiful basil from my garden and I got mozzarella and I got spaghetti and garlic and we make spaghetti with cherry tomato. And look how beautiful this tomato. Everything is so nice. Look at my figure for my treat too. I got over here. Look how beautiful. And we gotta use a flake hot pepper. Okay, now let's bring the pasta first. Cause the pasta take time to cook. And we gotta put salt. I got right over here salt and water. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now it's a time of the okay. This is for the tomato, and now the pasta. I got it right over here, and let's put the pasta. Okay, we lower the gas a little bit because see the flame it's too high. The pasta can burn outside. Okay, and now we give a little. Got the pasta going inside everything.
Hey, Carol. Hi. Thank you for the stars.
Thank you very much. I like they have a lot of people who look at this dish. Got nights of the time. Everybody got a tomato in the garden. Pick it up in the garden and you cook a little pasta. That's it.
Thank you, Dan, also.
Okay, now we got over here oil. And this is for the tomato. Okay, look what I got over here. Look at this. Look how beautiful. And you know why I pick it up this today? I want to know so somebody know why I pick it up all the tomato today. And I was freezing some. And I pick it up this. They keep over here. They come a little bit more red. Okay. Now, maybe somebody say, I don't know why you pick it up. Why you pick it up? I pick it up because tomorrow got rain. It see rain, the tomato, what happened? It open up. I pick it up like this. I got a beautiful over here. Okay, now, let's start with the garlic.
Hey, Bill. What's up? Thanks for the stars. And as well, thank you to Dave.
Thank you to everybody. Okay. Okay, now make sure the pasta, I can load down the gas a little bit, okay, boil really good.
And a big thank you to Mia as well. Thanks for tuning in, everybody.
Thank you very much to everybody that look at this video. I like so much, everybody. Chin chin salute, and thank you for the star. Chin chin salute. Okay.
It should be 7 minutes from now. Bill, 7 minutes.
Okay, thank you. Look at the garlic, how beautiful. I like a lot of garlic.
Donna said she made this yesterday.
Oh, good. When I was in Italy, everybody go walk on the street. After everybody say, hey, we gotta cook something. Hey, let's make a little spaghetti. And we was do spaghetti with the tomato. That's it. Everybody was happy. It's easy dish, really easy.
Yeah, we're going to do extra shows this week.
Okay, now the garlic is ready. But what I want to do, I'll load the gas. Yeah, I want to bring the tomato over here. I don't want to splash all over the place. Look how beautiful. Ah. Okay, now we gotta put salt. Black pepper. Yeah, I got my flake hot pepper. Okay. And let's
So we don't have this exact recipe on the website, but we have a similar one that uses anchovies, which is also really good. So if you're interested in that, you could like change it up a little bit, but you just do a hashtag yummy in the comment section and it'll be sent to your inbox, the recipe.
like I said, pick up a lot of cherry tomato today. And we do the pasta.
How did you take, Michael asked, how did you take the skin off of the tomatoes?
Okay, the tomato, what I did, you boil water. And you put on a dish or something, you boil the water. After you dump inside the tomato, and you leave it stay maybe a couple of minutes. That's it. After you drain the water, you leave it cool off. And with a knife, just you pinch a little bit of the tomato, squeeze, and the skin come right out.
Thank you, Leslie and Aileen as well for the stars.
Thank you to everybody for the stuff. Okay, now, look how beautiful basil I got over here. All right? And we cut it like this. I not chop with a knife. I cut it with my finger. Okay, no lose no juice. And I like a lot of basil. Look there. Beautiful. Okay, now I can do, I just push a little bit more like this. That's all. And the pasta.
Yes, the tomatoes are peeled.
Yes, yes. Especially if you got kids, they eat the pasta with the tomato. No, you know, I know it. See, you want to cook with the skin, cook with the skin. But I like this. Especially the kids. The skin, it can be choke the kids, okay? Make sure to not give with the skin. A lot of time, you never know.
Hey, Roland, thank you for the stars. And someone was asking if their basil has flowers. Is the plant, is it still okay, or can you still use it?
Okay, now, I got it outside, my basil. I left some, can make the seeds. The flower, it make the seeds. And one time it's a nice dry, and you cut it. You see, I cut a lot that come out of the flower. You cut it, but not take it out of the plant, because the basil, it's really good. If you dry the seeds, what you do, when it come next year, March, you take the seeds, you put on the ground, on the pots, but keep inside of the house, and you see it come right out, the basil. Okay, I mean, no, this is still...
2 minutes.
Huh?
2 minutes for that.
Yeah, still really...
2 minutes for 10 minutes.
Yeah,
It'll
okay, let me say, but it's al dente. Mm-hmm. Cin cin e salute to everybody. Thank you so much for the star. Cin cin, salute. Okay, good. Now we cook a little bit more. And after we cook with the tomato, a couple of more minutes, they come out really, really good with the pasta. And look what I got over here. You saw this, Jeremy? Look at that. Huh?
Pepper necklace.
Look how many I got over here. Yeah. I put over here, look, this it's almost dry. Look at that. How many more minutes for the...
It should be like 30 seconds will be 10 minutes.
Yeah? We leave stay a little bit more. Cin cin e salute everybody. Thank you so much to look at this video. And we cook again on Tuesday. And on Monday we do for the support. And maybe we do extra one. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it can be tomorrow or maybe Sunday we do again. Or Saturday we do tomorrow. Tomorrow it's Friday, right?
Yeah, what day do you think would be best, people watching?
We do tomorrow. Tomorrow, it's a Friday. On Friday, I think people like something like, what I'm talking about. Everybody know on Friday what everybody like the cook. I think maybe tomorrow night we do, Jeremy, all right?
All right.
Okay, cin cin e salute. Thank you for the star. Cin cin. Okay. The pasta, I think it's the time now, right?
Yep.
Yes?
They said every day you could do it.
Yeah. Okay. Now, we turn the gas off for the pasta. And we take the pasta. Now, I like to take the pasta. It's okay, it got a little water. I need a little water for the pasta. Oh. Okay.
Thanks, Richard.
Okay. Put it back over here on the flame. Okay, now we use a little water. All right. And now, the mozzarella.
Right in the pot.
Okay, look there. Mozzarella. We load the gas and we leave it cook a little bit together. Got the mozzarella. Look how beautiful. this. Oh boy. That's okay. Okay, I need a dish.
How do you say basil in Italian?
Basilico, Italiano. In Italy, we call it basilico, but the dialect wasn't a goal. Vedo un cook e se ne abbolo. Wasn't a goal. Okay, look how beautiful now, huh? We load the gas e okay, you know what? I got this, and we put a little cherry tomato on the top, and mozzarella. Okay, this is the gas, it's low, that one.
Somebody thought it was marshmallows.
E I got my Hoya baby, okay? And I want to use little basil on the top like this. Look at this. Everybody say, like a chef, we say, put the decoration. I told her. I said, well, I don't eat the decoration, you know. But this decoration I eat. But a lot of decoration the people throw away. But not me. This is my decoration. It's really, oh, look at the mozzarella. Mmm. Really, really good. Mmm. Really spicy. It come out really good. I hope somebody make this. And so you see your friend, everybody, tell look this video it come out really, really good. Okay, thank you very much. And we see next time. E cin cin salute. And thank you so much for the star. Cin cin, salute.